All right, I'm Matthew, we're Ben, Aiden, and Josiah, and this is FireWall, our little firefighting robot. Right now it's hooked up on the table, and we have it reading temperature on this LCD screen. We have this IR receiver on top, and the thermal sensors coming out this little hole in the front, which is bringing in the current temperature. On the side here is our solenoid valve, which is not hooked up right now. We have threads to work it outside, but due to weather conditions, it was messing up our temperature readings because it's really windy. So we'll have another video of like just the solenoid working out there to show that it does bring the water through. It was just kind of awkward. Right now it's just searching back and forth, but when we move this cover out of the way, it should be able to read the temperature and stop, and then it should say extinguishing. It's a little finicky to get the angle right on it, but it should read it. There we go. It stopped, and now the solenoid would click if it was hooked up, and it would shoot the water and extinguish for 10 seconds. Then after that 10 seconds is over, it should go back to searching. There we go. Now it's searching again, and it's outputting the temperature. And then the next one will show off the solenoid. For the internals of our system, we have our Arduino and our breadboard here, which is connected to our thermal sensor, our LCD screen, an IR receiver, a stepper motor, and a solenoid. So if you'll first hit reset, it'll show the boot up screen. So it should say FireWall initializing. This is just a reset button just to start up the system, which lasts for about 10 seconds. And once it's completed with that, it should go into searching mode using this thermal sensor. And if we point that, so basically while it's searching, this is moving back and forth, which will be connected to this, which scans the room. And this guy is closed, stopping any water from coming through. And we'll show off once the thermal sensor detects a high heat. It'll now say extinguishing, the motor will stop, the water solenoid will click on, and it will shoot water at the target for roughly 10 seconds. And then once that is done, it should go back to searching mode. You see that's reactivated, and if we want to, we can hit reset again in case anything's going wrong with it. And we also have a potentiometer in the middle here to adjust the LCD screen. And that is all the internals.